Hi everyone, I'm going to just show about the functions of G2 right now. It's the world's best phone in the multiple functions because the first of we have to see about the looks of this phone. Just see the looks. There is the front look of this phone. There is the back look of this phone. There are side edges. It's a very slim phone all the time and it's very easy to carry. Right now you can see it's very easy. It's a very rough face all the time. It's a very hard to use. There is no scratches on the back cover. It's the front screen and it's the edges. So the scratches, the screens and the speakers on the lower button. So if you are putting on the ground, so you are able to hear the sound also. Okay. And this phone is coming with the 5 very most important aspects. The first aspect is the design. The design you are looking on the phone. And what is the best thing in the design of this phone? It is the back rear key. Have you heard about the back rear key? So this rear key works for the all the time when you are using your phone, your index finger will be on this place. So you can utilize those fingers with the volume keys and with the power key also. So this is the benefit of this phone, of the rear key design. And the second thing is the design is the narrow bezels. You can see the bezels are clearly invisible. There is no visible, there are no narrow bezels. The bezels are very much you can see all the type of display. You can feel that you are using a display, not a phone, because here are the narrow bezels. After the bezel, we'll discuss about the camera. This phone is one of the best camera aspect because of this phone is coming with one of the best camera quality, which give you the original quality and the display also. You can click on the camera. You can see it gives you the 30 megapixel camera with the back, and the front is 2.1 megapixel camera. Okay, and there are lots of the modes also there. You can capture with the short and clear. And this phone is coming with the OIS function. Camera is inbuilt OIS function that if you are capturing with the moving objects and the little blurry images, you can clean it like that. And that phone will capture those blurry images with the still pictures. Correct? Now we have a audio video mode. In video mode, we have 16 frame per second video. There is the first phone which is coming with a 16 frame per second video recording, and we have one more which is called tracking zoom. The first time we are introducing this phone function into the phone, that while recording you can zoom on a particular part of a phone. That if you are recording and if you want the zoom on the particular part, so you can zoom on the particular part. This is the quality of this video recording. Right? Now we can use the dual camera shot also. If you want the precious moment of your explanations and with your child expressions, you can do the dual recording video. Now front camera and back camera will work both together. You can record with the dual camera and you can capture with the dual recording also. Now if we discuss about the style and if we discuss about the design, we discuss about the camera. Now we have to discuss about the display. This phone which is coming with one of the world's best display, because this phone have a IPS plus display with the full HD resolution, which give you the natural colors of the view. The view you are looking with your eyes, you can see on your phone. This is one of the best benefit of this display. And the PPI, there's a major aspect of that. There is 423 is the PPI of this screen. You can view it anywhere if you want. And one more function, that UX is a major aspect, because UX make you different from the other companies. And the benefit of UX, that one is this thing like that. If you're knocking on the phone, it's one of the best function knock on. You can just off the screen, and if you want the screen and you have just talk on the screen, you will on the screen. There is a benefit of a knock on function. So we have lots of the UX experience here, lots of the design experience, lots of the camera experience, and one of the best camera experience in this phone. This is one of the world's best device till now.
What is the price?
And the price of this phone is 41,500 for the 16 GB device. Now this phone is available in 2 colors. One is black and one is very good looking white color. You can see the front and you can see the back of this also. So this give you the lots of the experience of this phone. We have one black color, one white color. If you want to see together this phone, so we can see that together. See, one is black, one is white, and from the back they both look very good.